Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can check your iPhone carrier. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the iPhone settings app and make sure your device is updated to the latest version available. Now, scroll down a little bit and tap on the General feature. After that, tap on the About feature at the top and your device's information will be displayed. Simply scroll down and the Carrier Lock feature will be present beneath Saved. You can tap on it to avail any facilities given by the carrier company. This will show you the name of your current carrier and whether your iPhone is locked to that carrier or not. So that's basically how you can check your iPhone carrier. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.